Hi again. So we will continue uh, the next steps for preparing the environment for your mobile programming class. Okay, the next step is to install Eclipse, okay, which is the integrated development environment for you to do the programming. So all of you to do is you go to this link and download the software here, the IDE. So where you have download it, for example here you have download the Eclipse, so you have to extract the Eclipse here and then you just open it. So I have opened it. So this is my Java Eclipse, okay, the environment. So if you look here, this is the environment that you get from installing Eclipse. But I need tools here, a menu here for Android development. Okay, so I need to install a plugin, so to make sure that this Eclipse is easy for you to use to develop a mobile programming. So what you can do is that to install ADT plugin. Okay, you just go to this um, to this menu. Okay, you just go to help, install new software, and then you have add to this. Okay, for example here you go to the help, install new software, and then is that available software here? No, so you just add a software here, ADT plugins, and then you copy paste the uh, the website here. Okay, so you need to copy paste, so you need to copy paste here the website, this LL, you need to copy paste the website, tinggal tu yang ni. Okay, so you just copy here again. Oops, where is it? Okay, this is Eclipse. You just copy paste here and then okay, and then you just had to do this, and then you click next, and then you finish doing that. So after you done that, you will get an Eclipse with that tools. Okay, I open the one that I have installed ADT. Okay, so this is my Eclipse with ADT plugin. Okay, so when okay, so maybe I just choose one, click OK here. So when you open it, I just want to show to you that
plugin. Okay, so this is the plugin for your Android development. After you have installed ADT plugin, so you can use this SDK manager and also the AVD. Okay, it means that the plugin have successfully installed in your Eclipse. Okay, I will stop now and continue with the next step, which is to make a connection between your Eclipse and with your SDK. Okay, you have done all of this, but before you proceed to emulator, you need to make a connection between them. I will continue after this. Thank you.